So today I'm gonna do the 17 random questions tag. Yay! So I have these group of tag things in my phone, so I just decide on what I'm gonna do, and the 17 random tag questions will be the ones that I'm doing today. I have not really read all these questions before. I'm just gonna do it from scratch, as I don't even know what to expect, what questions to expect. But yeah, I'm just gonna answer it as honest as I can, if I can. And yeah, so you guys can just sit and watch. Okay, so let's begin the questions. How did you get your YouTube username? Well, I just created it. I am Mishi, and my other YouTube name is Mishi the Explorer. That one just came up because I wanted to start exploring. So I thought of Dora, and I'm like, hey, I'm like Dora, so why not call it Mishi the Explorer and Mishi? So I am Mishi. That's how I came up with the name, or how I got it, if that's what I asked it. If you could change your name to anything, what would it be and why? If I could change my name to anything, I'd probably change it to Robin, and only because it's Rihanna's rightful name. I love the name Robin, not only because it's Rihanna's name. Well, yeah, because it's Rihanna's name. I'm a Rihanna fanatic. If you could go back in time and give your younger self advice, what would it be and why? If I could go back in time and give my younger self advice, I'd actually tell my younger self is that Mishka, be careful who you fall in love with. And as a matter of fact, don't fall in love. Stand strong in love. When you fall hard. You know, I'll tell myself to be wiser when choosing the persons who I talk to, you know, things like that. I tell myself to be careful of heartbreak. That must not be into that. How old were you when you first learned to blow a bubblegum? Oh, I was like about 5 when I tried it. A lot of bubblegum stuck right down my throat. But yeah, what did you want to be when you were little? I wanted to be so many things. I wanted to be Princess Denko, but then I heard that couldn't happen. So then I wanted to be a singer, but then I realized that I can't sing. So I wanted to be a teacher, then I realized I had no patience. Then I decided I wanted to just be an entrepreneur, own my own business, so then I can be whatever I wanted to be. To be honest, I still don't know what I want to be. Just know that I want to be an entrepreneur. What do you order at Starbucks? Well, we don't have Starbucks in Jamaica. So I'm just gonna change this question to what would you order if you go to Burger King? I'd probably order a number 1. You know, but I always order a number 1 with an apple pie on the side. And if I can go large, even better. What's the hardest you ever laughed? I remember one time I laughed so hard that I had an asthma attack. That's how hard I laughed. If you could play any musical instrument, which would it be and why? The guitar. Yeah. You know, it just, I love when people play the guitar. You know, when you play it and then you're just singing and you're just dun, 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 dun. Yeah. What's your favorite thing to do when you're upset? I like breaking things. Like when I'm upset, if I can't cuss you out, I'm gonna break something. Yeah, I like breaking things. So be clear. What's your favorite movie? Apart from Titanic, I'd have to say Armageddon. I love Armageddon. I cried. Oh well. What's one food you could not live without? Chicken. I don't think I could live without chicken. I love chicken so much that everywhere I go I order chicken. I couldn't live without chicken. I love chicken. As a matter of fact, I'm having chicken for lunch. What's your favorite dessert? Cheesecake. Cheesecake! Am I the only person that loves cheesecake? I love me some cheesecake. Mwah. Cheesecake is awesome. Favorite pizza topping? I'd have to say Hawaiian, which is pineapple. Yeah, I love pineapple. Would you rather have the superpower to read minds or the superpower to be invisible? I'd want the superpower to read minds. People always stare at me, so I want to read your minds as to what they're thinking, if it's something good or something bad. So I'd prefer that. What did you do for your last birthday? What did I do? I really don't remember. This birthday was really calm. I think I went out. Yeah, I just went out and chilled. I don't remember. I really don't remember. This birthday was not that exciting. If you had one personal selfish wish, what would it be and why? Selfish wish. I wish I could have all the pizza in the world. Yeah. Is that a wish? I don't know. If I had one selfish wish, I wish that I could find the best love that nobody has ever had. Yes. Last question now. If you were a Pokemon, what would you be called and what would you look like? If I were to be a Pokemon, I would only want to be Pikachu. I would look like Pikachu. I would be pink, not pink, I would be yellow, and I'd shock people. Pikachu's like so cute. Pikachu's like Pika, Pikachu. Yeah, so Pikachu. They're talking. So, yeah, that was the end of my 17 random questions tag. So, I hope you guys liked it. So, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. And wait, before I go, please do remember to subscribe. Arigato gozaimasu.